So guys, now this X verify SunWaves with X2. So I just want to show you how this is going to look like. Can see. So this is different from the one that I did a tutorial about. So what we are going to do is we are going to copy your invitation link from here, post the link with a message on X using the instruction below. Write a personalized message in which you invite your community to join your team. The message should be written and sound as natural as possible. Don't spoil the link without any text, as it won't be accepted. So that is what we are going to do. And if you want to see a sample, so we are going to click a sample, that place. So let's click on that. So this example, I am putting on team and I would love you to join my team, blah blah blah. Together we can earn more as SunWave token and join some great bonuses. So this is the example of what we are going to write. So let's go now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on copied. So copy your citation link from here. I've copied it. So what we are going to do is we are going to post the link with a message on X using the instruction below. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my X account and post the link. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this plus button. So once I click the plus button, I'm going to hit on post. As you can see, going to hit on post. I'm going to paste my what I've copied. So this is the text now, as you can see. So this is the text. So this is what you are going to post now. So this is the text now. This is how you are going to post it, as you can see. So this is my link, this everything now. So let's hit on that. So I'm going to post it now. I'm going to hit on post. So I'm going to my profile at the top. So let's go to my profile at the top now. I'm going to my profile, so click on profile. So I'm going to hit, so this is the thing that I posted now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. So this is the share icon below it. So I'm going to hit on that. I'm going to click on copy link. I'm going to copy the link, as you can see. I'm going to go back to my SunWaves now. So this is my SunWaves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue. So I'm going to hit on continue. For you to click, for you to bring continue button, so you must have copied the link and you must have seen an example post here, the number 3. So let me click on continue. I'm going to hit on confirm. So I'm going to paste my link now to my post. So the link that I copied, I'm going to paste it. I'm going to click on verify. Oh, this is not the link. This is not the link. So I'm going to paste the link now. I'm going to paste the link. Oh, this is the link. So I'm going to click on verify. I'm going to hit on confirm. So let's wait a little bit. They are verifying the code. So you can see, congratulations, you have successfully completed your verification. You can now receive 100% extra bonus on your earning rate. So let me click on continue. Continue. So like this. So thanks for watching my videos. I'm going to see you in my next video.